Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to use Let's Get Vaccinated sticker on Instagram. Instagram allows users to add Let's Get Vaccinated stickers to their stories, in this case showing off their support of the COVID-19 vaccine and encouraging others to get vaccinated. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can use them. Log into your Instagram account and go to the Profile tab. Click on the plus icon at the top of the screen. After that, select the Story option. Once the Story camera opens, take a photo, record a video, or upload a visual from your camera roll. Now hit the sticker icon at the top of the screen. Here you can see different stickers that you can add to your story. As you may see, there are two types Let's Get Vaccinated stickers. Choose the one you like and tap it. The sticker appears on your story. If you press on the sticker, you will notice that there are several stickers variations. What is more, you can resize the sticker and place it anywhere on the screen. If you want, you may also use filters, draw or write something on your story. As soon as your story is ready, click on the Send To button and share your story. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use Let's Get Vaccinated sticker on Instagram. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.